Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Asmuni. I am a student of the English Language Study Program. This is made as part of my extensive listening assessment. The title podcast is Learn English Podcast Session in the UK. Speaker Jack and Luke. And you can see this link is below. I listen to this podcast on YouTube and I chose this podcast because I am interested in British culture and the unique ways they celebrate different seasons. The focus of this podcast on natural English conversation makes it a great opportunity to improve my listening comprehension skills. The podcast begin with Jack and Luke sharing their favorite season. Jack prefers summer because of the warm weather and the opportunity to enjoy barbecue and cider in the park. On the other hand, Luke prefers winter because of extreme sports, especially surfing and snowboarding. They then discuss English traditions associated with each season. Summer is marked by festivals, including fall weeks, which last for a month, and various music festivals such as Reading and Glastonbury. Winter is synonymous with Christmas, with bustling Christmas markets, ice skating rinks, and iconic Boxing Day sales. The hosts also discussed the best time to visit the UK, emphasizing the long day and warm weather in summer. They highlight lively outdoor activities such as enjoying parks and beaches, and warn listeners about the topless phenomenon in London Park on sunny days. This podcast is very relevant to me because I'm a fan of traveling and enjoy appreciating different cultures. The podcast insight into British tradition and the best time to visit the UK provide valuable information for planning my future trips. Listening to this podcast has significantly improved my extensive listening skills. I learned to focus on the overall message and key points rather than getting stuck on individual words. The natural conversational style of this podcast helped me become more comfortable with various accents and everyday language. One of the challenges I faced was understanding some of the slang and idioms used by the host. To overcome this, I used contact clues, competition, and online resources to understand their meaning. I also tried to slow down my listening pace and focus on each sentence. Thank you very much for your nice attention, and bila saya say, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.